In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place text behind leaves in Affinity Photo. This is a clean, non-destructive way to make titles or headings look like they're tucked behind foliage, and it works beautifully for any object with overlapping edges. Start by opening the image you want to use. This will sit as your background layer. If you're working with a photo where leaves overlap the area for your title, you're in the perfect spot for this effect. Next, select the Artistic Text tool, or press T, and type your headline directly over the leaves. Choose a font and color that contrasts your image so you can see your progress clearly. Position the text so parts of the letters cross in front of the leaves. That overlap is where the magic will happen. Don't worry about perfection yet. You can nudge and resize as you work. Now duplicate your leaves layer in the Layers panel. Right-click the image layer and choose Duplicate. You'll use this copy to sit on top and visually cover the text, while the original can stay at the bottom as your base image. Think of the duplicate as the foreground object that will hide parts of the letters. Drag your text layer so it sits below the duplicated leaves layer. At this point, the text may disappear behind the leaves, which is exactly what we want. We'll selectively reveal it next, so it looks like the text weaves behind the foliage. Select the top leaves layer and add a mask by clicking. Add Mask Layer at the bottom of the Layers panel. You'll see a new mask thumbnail next to the layer thumbnail. Masks let you hide or reveal parts of a layer without permanently erasing anything. Click the mask thumbnail to make sure it's active. Choose the Paintbrush tool with B. Set your foreground color to black and use a soft brush. Painting black on a mask hides that part of the leaves, allowing the text beneath to show through. Carefully paint over the areas where you want the letters to peek out. Zoom in around edges, reduce brush size for tight corners, and use a gentle brush hardness for natural transitions. If you remove too much, switch your color to white to bring the leaves back. Gray values will partially reveal the text for soft, semi-transparent edges. If nothing seems to happen, double-check that the mask, not the layer, is selected. Work around the letters until the text feels naturally nested behind the leaves. That's it, a simple, flexible mask-based workflow that looks polished and stays fully editable.